I'm Dr. Adam, and with the bright minds at Pfizer and Upjohn, we'd like to invite you on an adventure, a healthcare and wellness adventure. With these two delightful helpers and a team of specialists, we'll help the ill family who always think they're ill deal with the many health problems that come their way. Following is a compilation of the videos aired on Emirates. Hope you enjoy.
Raised cholesterol is estimated to cause 2.6 million deaths yearly. This accounts for 4.5% of the total population of the world. 4.5%!
About 37% of men and 40% of women have high cholesterol levels globally. And here's something very interesting indeed. Over 50% of adults living in high-income countries have high cholesterol, which is more than double that of those living in low-income countries. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death all around the world. 31% of all global deaths. 31. Why in 2015 alone, 17.92 million deaths were estimated to be due to cardiovascular diseases. In fact, it is predicted that by 2020, cardiovascular disease will be responsible for 25 million deaths, making it a global epidemic.
Actually, diabetes affects about 425 million adults worldwide, and half of these people are living with diabetes without even knowing they have it.
Indeed, an astonishing number of 1,165,000 children live with type 1 diabetes, and more than 21 million infants are affected by diabetes during pregnancy, 1 in 7.
40% of happiness is based on actions and choices made daily. It is under a person's control, which means 40% of the capacity for happiness actually lies within our hands. We have the power to bring about this change.
And there's more. Studies have found that happiness not only lowers heart rate and blood pressure, but that staying happy affects the heart rate variability, reducing risks of coronary heart disease.
What's that?
What you probably haven't heard of before, my friend. You see, Bill, smoking causes about 7 million deaths annually worldwide.
Out of town. So who said that?
The World Health Organization?
Oh.
Not enough to scare you, huh? Well, when we think global, every 1 in 10 deaths is associated with smoking. It's the second leading risk factor for early death and disability worldwide, in both men and women.
1 in 5 adults suffer from pain, and another 1 in 10 adults are diagnosed with chronic pain each year. Help me help you, Bill. What kind of pain is it?
Well, it's just everywhere, but it is more when someone touches me.
Acute pain is severe or sudden and resolves within a certain amount of time. Such pain is often experienced when there is an illness, injury, or after surgery. Having higher blood pressure for short amounts of time is normal. However, when the blood pressure stays high consistently, it can cause serious health problems. It is the #1 risk factor leading to 13% of deaths worldwide. About 1 billion people over the age of 25 years are estimated to have high blood pressure.
There are also certain traits, conditions, and habits that can increase the risks. The risk of high blood pressure increases with age, however, before the age of 45.